Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today I'm gonna show you how to start wearing colorful eyeshadow. If you're not normally comfortable wearing colorful eyeshadow, and I totally get it, it's scary, it's very intimidating, and it's not everybody's cup of tea. But if you were wanting to start dipping your toes into wearing more color on your eyes, this video might be for you. Of course, I'm not wearing color right now. I did film a natural makeup tutorial using some new Dollar Tree products, and it'll be up, I think, after this video, so definitely keep a lookout for that. If color's not your thing, I have a video coming for you. But yeah, some of us are just a little afraid, and we just need some ideas on how to do it, what to do, see whether it's our thing or not, you know, and so I kind of wanted to show you some different ways you can wear colorful eyeshadow to help you maybe dip your toes into doing that if that's something you want to try. So if you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome, and I do hope that you will subscribe. It helps me and my channel out so very much, so I do hope that you'll take just 1 second and do that for me. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. You know how much I appreciate you, my Dollar Divas. Thank you so much. Yeah, if you want to see some different ideas on how to wear colorful eyeshadow, definitely keep on watching. So we're going to choose this very soft, very dusty type of a green and just put it all over the lid. I would stop at about the crease, and this provides just a very light, dusty wash of color, very easy to wear, very subtle. You can do the same thing with a brighter color if you're feeling a little bit braver, but honestly, I kind of like the dusty version of this because it is so soft. I've even been known to do this look with kind of a slightly more shimmery eyeshadow, which does provide a really beautiful effect. Both of these are matte. And then of course you want to go ahead and take some eyeliner into the waterline and lashes, and you've got two different ways to wear a wash of color. Very simple, very easy. We're going to take a transition shade and prep both lids for a colorful smoky eye. One is going to be brighter than the other, just like our previous look. This is one of my favorite ways to wear color. So we're going to smoke out the outer part of the eye. I generally like a rich chocolate brown for this, but you can also use charcoal or matte black. We're going to take some liquid eyeliner because I do like to apply a little bit of a wing on my smoky eye looks. Then we're going to take kind of a muted purple and place that kind of on the inner half of the lid, and it blends in really nice with that brown. Here is the brighter purple, and we're going to kind of put both of these shades kind of on the inner part of the lid, and there you have a colorful smoky eye. One eye is a little bolder than the other. So we're going to take some colorful eyeliner, and we're going to do two different looks with this as well. The first look, we're going to apply this in the waterline and then finish off the look with a little inner corner highlight. Of course, we have lashes and just a little bit of a wash of color on the lid, kind of a soft smoky eye. This one is very simple, very easy. Just add a little pop of color in the inner corner of the eye with that colorful eyeliner, and this can just be kind of on a traditional smoky eye, or even something a little bit more basic than that. So there are two different looks using the colorful eyeliner that are super simple, super easy. So to use eyeshadow as eyeliner, first you want to take kind of a compact liner brush, and we're going to go into this hot pink color here. And I'm going to spray the brush with setting spray after I put the shadow on, and we're just going to kind of line the top of the eyes with a really bold, colorful wing. I don't do this very often, so I'm not completely practiced at it, but you get the idea. So I hope that you got a little bit of inspiration, some ideas. Perhaps it's helped you create some of your own ideas. Anyways, I hope you did find it helpful, and if you didn't find it helpful, I do hope that you at least enjoyed watching it. So of course, if you did like it, show me you did by hitting that like button. So tell me your feelings below on colorful eyeshadow. Is it something you want to wear, something that you do wear, something that you've tried to wear? Definitely let me know. I would love to hear what your journey with colorful eyeshadow is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.